Okay, so in this series, we are going to cover downloading and installing Visual Studio, setting it up for your use. This is on a PC. We'll also be covering it on a Mac in another set of videos. We're going to show you the options you'll want to choose for installation, opening it up. We're going to create a Hello World console application, which is in a command window. We'll get to that. We'll install some libraries from NuGet. NuGet is a place where you can get libraries from a public source, open source place to get libraries, DLLs to use in your projects. I will show you the local DB connection in Visual Studio and the database interaction, how to see it in Visual Studio. And then I'll show you how to debug and some tools for debugging. After that, the next video will be about setting up and using SQL Server as opposed to SQL Local DB. And I'll get to the differences in those as well. So that's it for the first video, just let you know what's going on here. So come back in a second. We're going to set up, download and install and set up Visual Studio and create our first Hello World console app.